Check out my Phantom wallet, $2.5 million in straight meme coin profits. No hype, no luck, just launches. If you are tired of buying coins that dump and ready to flip the script, stay locked in. I'm showing you exactly how I did it. Every time I bought into a new meme coin, I get dumped on. Chart goes up, then crashes. Over and over again. It felt like a game I couldn't win. Then I realized the real people winning in this space, they're not buying. They're actually launching the coins. Because when you launch, you are in full control. You choose the name, the narrative, the supply, everything. And you are the first ever buyer, not someone else's exit liquidity. And here's the thing, by launching coins, you have completely nothing to lose. It's your project, it's your rules, you can do whatever the fuck you want. If the coin flops, you can just restart over and over again until you make a couple $1,000s. But if you keep trading other people's coins, trust me, you will lose. Right now, Bitcoin is at an all-time high and Solana is pumping. There is no better time to start launching coins than right now. Because in today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to create your very first meme coin on the Solana blockchain and print generational wealth. By the way, I do not constitute financial advice, so please do not copy me. It's all for educational purposes only. Cap! Now, when it comes to launching meme coins, most people default to Pump.Fun. It looks easy, but trust me, it's a trap. It's oversaturated. Too many coins launching every minute. Most never even get traction, they die on arrival. And worst of all, you don't control the liquidity. You cannot take out profits or steer your own project. That's why I switched to create token.Learn. It launches your coins directly onto Radium, and you have full control over the coin. You own the token, you manage the liquidity, and the second your coin is live, it's instantly migrated, not stuck waiting. That means it shows up immediately on the Radium list, so people can buy it right away, and that traffic gives your coin a real shot at pumping. That's why thousands of people use Create Tokens.io to launch coins. Now, when you are ready to launch on Create Tokens.io, you've got two simple options. First, build one from scratch. So I would highly recommend to head over to Twitter and pick a viral idea. Maybe it's a current event, a trending meme, or a random moment going viral on Twitter. Then name your coin, set a symbol for example, and upload your logo for the image. Click next and you are good to go. Now, my favorite one, and easily the most profitable method, is the method 2, Copy Trending Coins tab. This pulls in proven coins directly from Pump.Fun, coins that already have volume, attention, and momentum. Just pick a coin and copy it, and your version launches instantly onto Radium. No delays, no dead traffic, you're hijacking the hype in real time. And since you are launching on Radium, that traffic hits immediately. So your coin gets real trades and more upside really fucking fast. Both methods work, but if you want fast flips and attention from the jump, copying trending coins can print and make a shit ton of money. But anyways, let's get straight to it. Connect your wallet right here with Phantom, and we're launching this coin right now together. No delays, just action. Now I'm going to refresh list to see the trending new coins. Okay, which coin should we copy, chat? We're gonna copy the bucket cat. It looks kinda decent and the PFP looks funny and it's a cat. Usually cats do well, right? There's a last buy 9 seconds ago and a $22.5 thousand market cap. Now, in general, all these coins will get buyers, but yeah, I'm picking this one, create coin, then yeah, ignore the phantom warning from Phantom, it's completely normal, and proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. Then the coin should be created/copied shortly, just be patient. Boom! And if we go on SoScan, you guys will see that it's minted and officially on chain. So yeah bro, the site is actually legit, but now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this part's easy. We're adding liquidity to the coin so people can buy and sell your coin onto Radium. It'll also show up on the migrated page right here and potentially go to hundreds and thousands of market cap. Just make sure the token and your amount looks good. Then on drop on token A, click 90%. That's gonna put 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool. Now for token B, this is your initial buy into your own coin. You are not spending a dime. You're just locking in money into the liquidity pool. The minimum is 0.3 SOL and you can withdraw it later when you remove the liquidity. So I'm gonna put 0.4 SOL, and once again, disclaimer, this money isn't lost, it's not a fee, it's nothing. You will get it back later. It's simply a first buy inside the coin. Then create pool. Your Phantom wallet should pop up shortly. And then click on confirm. When that is done, come here and click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the bucket hat coin is now officially live. People will be able to trade it on the migrate section. I could possibly find it, but yeah, I gotta give it some time. And yeah, now our profits are at $0 right now, but if you click on refresh once again, now our profits are at $139, which is really fucking good. Now to see the chart in live action, click on view on photon and boom, now the coin is live. Just give it a moment for it to load because these are late buys. Now, as you guys can see, we are at a $1.4 thousand market cap. People are buying the coin right now. Oh my god, it's pumping. Let's fucking go. Oh my god, come on. We need buyers. Let's go fucking go. Come on, pump. Now, guys, all we have to do from now on is just sit back, wait, and watch the chart pump. Let's fucking go. Come on, pump. Let's go. It's pumping. Guys, I'm gonna do a quick time lapse for a couple minutes. I'm gonna be right back, so please enjoy. And yeah, bro, let's go. Okay guys, I'm back. As you guys can see, we are at a $3,000 market cap and we have 1.5k in liquidity, 80 transactions. The metrics are looking kind of decent, and yes, I could wait longer, but you know, I am lazy and I want all my money right now. So to cash out profits, come back to create tokens.io, click on the refresh button a fourth time or a third time, I forgot. And boom, we are up $1.4 thousand, $1,389 to be exact, with a 3.8k market cap. Now, click on the minus button to cash out profits, do 100%, remove liquidity, wait for your Phantom wallet. And as you guys can see, we're going to receive around 8.5 SOL straight directly inside our wallet. Click on confirm. And boom, that's exactly how you pump and then fucking make a shit ton of money off launching coins. If I open my Phantom wallet for proof, boom! All the money is right fucking there. Now before you go launch a coin, if you want to win 3 Solana like this guy right here, make sure to join my Telegram group down below, comment your Solana balance, and like and subscribe. And yeah bro, good luck, bye.